Scafflogic introduces you to a world of logic. Hello and welcome to this Scafflogic training video. In this presentation, I will be demonstrating how to work with vertical protection. I will be using Layher SpeedyScaff scaffold. If you are using a different scaffold brand, you may notice that I have different measurements and equipment. As you can see, I already have a scaffold built up with a wall and a small stairway attached to it. You can access protection elements from the plan view, from the elevation view, and from the side elevation view. Let's begin by right-clicking on the section to bring up the content menu, then going down to Scaffold to apply the whole scaffold, or I can go down to Section, but that will only be locally applied. We will come back to this option momentarily. For protection, I have two options. I have shielding, which is a standard plate made of plywood, and Layher, which has a special component called brick guard that comes in two sizes, 100 and 200 centimeters. Let's apply a 100 centimeter brick guard and see how the system reacts to our request. Here we have a brick guard at the top, which is a complete component. There is covering on the section to prevent anything from falling. Notice that the system has automatically created an opening where you need to have access to the scaffold, and in the end it is placed plywood, which in this case is a replacement component because brick guard does not exist in all measurements. We can also go into the elevation plan and we can say we want to add protection here, for instance. Let's try 200 centimeters and the system will automatically make adaptations. We could ask the system to replace the existing 100 centimeter brick guard with a 200 centimeter brick guard. But first, we need to remove the old component before we can add the new one. We will select Protection, Remove, and then go in one more time and enter 2 meters. I can also ask for shielding and other types of protection if desired. This function is very simple to use and is usually employed to prevent workers from falling from the scaffold, especially when they're doing roof jobs.